In a world where software releases are becoming more frequent and cyber attacks deadlier, it's tough when your CEO asks, "Hey, we're a week away from our release. Is our application software secure?" Security leaders are seeking a confidant that can help answer that question with a resounding yes. Development and security teams are forced to spend countless hours manually correlating alerts from numerous application security tools. These tools give an overwhelming number of false positive findings, resulting in many unaddressed critical issues. What if an AI-powered confidant provides a prioritized list of security issues from all application security tools in one place at a fraction of the cost and time? Well, wait no further. Armorcode is that confidant. It deploys an orchestration and collaboration platform that provides instantaneous insights into your application security and compliance posture. Armorcode's proprietary AI algorithm ingests all the security findings and then normalizes, dedupes, correlates, and prioritizes critical issues based on application context and business priorities. Armorcode surfaces critical security issues from all the sources. It does this in a fraction of the cost and up to 90% faster. This helps security and developer teams laser focus on critical issues while boosting their productivity by eliminating unnecessary meetings and spreadsheet analyses. With Armorcode, security leaders can now answer the question, "Is our application software secure?" with a confident and instantaneous, "Yes, it is." This resounding yes builds high confidence in your business, enables compliance for your customers, and protects their brands, even as you sign off to spend more quality time with your friends and family.